Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken floss using an easy method. First, you'll want to cook about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast until it's super tender. This usually takes around 15 to 20 minutes of simmering. Once cooked, let it cool slightly, then shred it into really fine strands. You can use 2 forks or even a food processor for this step. Next, prepare your seasoning blend. Now, take your finely shredded chicken and mix it thoroughly with the seasoning blend you prepared. Make sure every strand is coated evenly. Next, heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a large, non-stick pan or wok over medium-low heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add the seasoned chicken mixture to the pan. This is where the magic begins, so be ready to stir. The key to perfect chicken floss is constant stirring. You'll need to continuously stir and break up any clumps of chicken in the pan. This process helps to dry out the chicken and achieve that signature flossy texture. Continue cooking for about 20 to 30 minutes over medium-low heat until the chicken turns a beautiful golden brown, becoming very dry and wonderfully fluffy. Patience is truly a virtue here. Once your chicken floss is perfectly golden and fluffy, remove it from the heat and let it cool down completely. This is crucial for maintaining its crispness. Once cool, transfer it to an airtight container. It will stay fresh and delicious at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. You can enjoy this versatile chicken floss as a savory topping for rice, porridge, or even on sandwiches. It's also a fantastic snack on its own.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.